Hi, let's take a look at the word op in Dutch. What does op mean? Well, we're going to learn the many uses of the word op in Dutch in this video. The most common use of this word means to be physically on. Like, for example, ik zit op een stoel. I sit on a chair. I mean, I'm physically sitting on a chair. But like really, there's a chair here below me. So that means that we're going to use the word op. But there are many other uses. Some of them are related. Some of them, well, you would be thinking like, wait, why do you use op there? And it just means, well, you have to use op there. For example, op het werk. That means at work. We're not going to say other, we're not going to use other prepositions. Well, if you use other prepositions, then the meaning might change a little. So if you're at work, then you would usually say op het werk. Also, op het einde, at the end. You're not going to use in. At the end is op het einde. For example, at the end of the day, op het einde van de dag. And another one, op die manier, means this way or in this way. So there you always use op. And this op het werk, op het einde and op die manier, why is it op? Well, it's because the words manier, werk and einde use this word just like that. Because manier, well, then you use op. You can't use in or, well, for some in this way you can't use in there. All right, so it's because of the word manier. Manier uses op. Also, another group of words are technology-related words, like op de radio. I hear on the radio, then you're going to use op de radio. Also, op het internet. Where are you? I'm on the internet. Op het internet. And the computer, op de computer. I play on the computer, well, op the computer, because they are technology related. In some cases, you can use other words, but usually when you're using I'm on the computer right now, then you're going to use op de computer. All right, and then there are two other ones that do not take the article, and that's a little bit weird. Op school or op kantoor. You can add an article there, op de school, at the school, but if you're implying I'm at school, then you would not use the article, which is different from the words we've seen before. I'm at work is op het werk, not op werk. So that's a bit different with op school and op kantoor. Ik ben op het kantoor, then you're at the office, and op school at the school. If you're saying at school, then it's op school and op kantoor. All right. Op has another use, which is with days. Op maandag. And also when you're using dates on the 23rd of May, then you're going to use op. So with days, you also use op. Another use of op, and there are already many uses here. You may see in folders from companies selling you small things like food or computers or anything. You might see op is op, and that means on means on. Why would you use op is op? Well, op means like empty, but totally consumed, or if they don't have any products anymore, then it means this product is, in Dutch you say op. All of them have been sold out. You can translate it as sold is sold, sold out is sold out. That's op. All right, And then another one, op papier. And this is more of an expression, and op is usually is many times used with expressions or idioms. Op papier means on paper. And what is suggested with op papier means that it is not in practice. For example, op papier kan hij veel. Hij heeft een diploma. On paper, he has a diploma, he has a degree, so he should be, say, a good engineer. But if the person has not the social skills, or if they don't have the right experience, it means on paper he's a good fit for the company, but in practice he's not a good fit. So that's op papier. And verbs also take sometimes the preposition op. For example, invloed hebben op, to influence. And literally to have influence on. But in English we would say to influence someone. So, ik heb invloed op jou. I influence you, or I have an influence on you. Alright? Other verbs are opeten and opnemen. Opeten means to completely eat, or also simply to eat, so then it doesn't mean anything, and it's a separable verb. Ik eet iets op, I eat something. You can drop the op, but some verbs are, just take op just for decoration, as opeten. And opnemen means to record. For example, now I'm recording a video, so ik neem een video op. Also separable verb. So there are many uses to op. Try to write down these words that were in this video, those that you didn't know that they were with op, and make sure to use the right op. And in general, it means to be physically on. All right. So if you are interested in separable verbs like opeten or opnemen, feel free to click in the video to the video on this link. These are verbs that separate certain parts of the verb, like ik eet op in some occasions, and you can learn on about these separable verbs there. Tot ziens!